Hi Sarah. Are you ready for the holidays?
Not yet, Sam. I still have so much to do.
Really? What do you need to do?
I need to pack my clothes and buy some gifts.
Oh, I already packed yesterday.
Wow. You're so fast. Where are you going?
I'm going to the beach with my family. What about you?
I'm visiting my grandparents in the countryside.
That sounds nice. How long will you stay?
Just 1 week. I'll come back before New Year.
Good idea. Have you checked the weather?
Not yet. I hope it's sunny.
Yeah, me too. I love sunny holidays.
Same here. Do you usually travel every holiday?
Not always. Sometimes we stay home and relax.
That's nice too. Holidays are for rest.
True. Don't forget your camera.
Oh, thanks. I almost forgot.
No problem. Let's meet after the holidays and share photos.
Great. I can't wait.
Me too. Have a safe trip, Sarah.
Thanks, Sam. Enjoy your beach holiday.